Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share my personal experience with mSpy, a parental control app. I've spent some time testing it out on my own device, and I'm going to walk you through everything. Its features, how it stacks up against the competition, and whether it's really the right choice for your family. If you're curious about mSpy and want to see if it's the solution you've been looking for, then stick around because this video is packed with insights you won't want to miss. Before we get started, just a quick note, if at any point you decide mSpy might be the right fit for you, I've included helpful link in the description below. This includes discount to help you save a bit of cash, because who doesn't love saving money, right? So why did I decide to try out mSpy? Well, like many of you, I've been on the lookout for a solid parental control app to help manage and monitor online activities. With the growing use of smartphones and tablets among kids, it's more important than ever to find a reliable way to ensure their safety online. But not all parental control apps are up to the task. Some lack essential features, while others simply aren't secure enough. That's where mSpy really caught my attention. After using it myself, I can tell you it's a standout option that offers a range of features most competitors can't match. One of the first things that impressed me about mSpy is its social spotlight tool. As a parent, keeping tabs on social media can be a challenge. But with this feature, mSpy makes it much easier. You can monitor incoming messages and interactions across all major social platforms. And here's the best part. mSpy also has a screen recording feature. So whenever something noteworthy happens on your child's device, like receiving a text or picture, mSpy captures it in real time. I tested this out myself and it worked seamlessly. This feature alone could be a game changer for parents who want to stay informed without being overly intrusive. The Social Spotlight feature supports major platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. This means you get comprehensive insight into your child's online world. Something I found incredibly reassuring. You'll be able to see every message and image exchanged, as well as logs showing who they're communicating with and when those conversations happened. When I used this feature, it gave me peace of mind. Another feature I found particularly powerful is mSpy's keylogger. Now, I know the idea of tracking what your child is typing might sound intense, but this feature is all about helping you stay ahead of any potential issues. The keylogger lets you see exactly what your child is typing in text messages, social media, or anywhere else on their device. I tested this out by setting specific words and phrases to watch for, and I was instantly alerted whenever they were typed. This level of customization and control really sets mSpy apart from many other parental control apps I've tried. mSpy also excels in app and website monitoring, which is something I was eager to explore. You get a full list of the apps installed on your child's device, along with detailed reports on how often each app is used and at what times. I found this feature really useful for identifying which apps were consuming the most time. If you notice your child is spending too much time on a particular app, you can easily block it right from your dashboard. It's a great way to encourage more productive use of their time. And when it comes to website monitoring, mSpy didn't disappoint. You can blacklist specific sites you don't want your child visiting. While it would be ideal to block entire categories of sites, the fact that mSpy offers this level of control is still a significant plus. I was able to view detailed reports showing which sites were visited, when they were accessed, and which ones my child visited most frequently. It's like having a window into their browsing habits. mSpy doesn't stop there. It also includes a call and contact monitoring feature. This was another feature I found really valuable. You can see who your child is talking to, when, and for how long, as well as view their most frequent contacts. But what really stood out to me was mSpy's unique plan breaker feature. This lets you view your child's calendar, including event details and locations, so you always know what's coming up. I haven't seen this feature in other parental control apps, and it adds an extra layer of insight that can be really helpful. mSpy's location tracking capabilities are another highlight that I tested extensively. With its live location feature, you can see where your child is at any given moment. You can also set up geofences, designated areas where you'll be notified if your child enters or leaves. This feature worked flawlessly for me and is great for keeping an eye on their whereabouts. mSpy also provides a list of Wi-Fi networks your child's device has connected to, complete with connection time and location details. And if you need to limit their internet access, you can even block their Wi-Fi directly from the dashboard. One of the standout aspects of mSpy that I personally appreciated is its stealth mode. Once installed, the app runs completely hidden on your child's device. There's no visible app icon, making it nearly impossible for them to know it's there. This feature ensures that the app does its job without being detected. And when it comes to ease of use, iEasy is unmatched. The installation process is straightforward. You just install the app on your child's device, and you can manage everything from the iEasy website's parental dashboard. I found it incredibly user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Now, let's talk about installation. iEasy can be installed on both Android and iPhone devices. I personally tested it on both platforms, and the installation was smooth and hassle-free. You can download it from the App Store or directly from the iEasy website, whichever you prefer. And don't forget, I've included a link in the description to help you find it easily and snag a discount. So, after using iEasy and exploring all its features, it's important to mention a few areas where the app could improve. For instance, iEasy doesn't offer real-time updates on your child's phone activities. Instead, it provides reports every 15 minutes. While this might be a downside for some, I found that it wasn't a major issue since most parents don't need constant updates. Another point worth noting is that the keylogger feature can occasionally send multiple alerts for the same message, which can clutter your dashboard. However, I found these to be relatively minor issues considering the overall value iEasy offers. Speaking of value, let's discuss pricing. As of now, iEasy starts at about $47 per month. But if you opt for the annual plan, the cost drops significantly to just $9 per month, which is much more affordable compared to other parental control apps. Keep in mind, though, that each subscription covers only one device. After testing it myself, I can say that iEasy offers great value for the price, especially with the discount link I've provided below. So, would I recommend iEasy? Absolutely. After personally using it and seeing what it can do, I'm confident in saying that iEasy is one of the best parental control apps out there. If you're a parent looking for a reliable way to monitor your child's device, block inappropriate content, and keep tabs on their online activities, iEasy is a fantastic choice. Plus, it's incredibly affordable with the right plan. If you're interested in trying iEasy, don't forget to check out the link in the description below for a discount. And if you have any questions about iEasy or other similar apps, feel free to drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.